do right through there. These two in a row. Those two houses in a row. You alright? Where'd you land?
Huh? Where'd you land? Did you land on anything?
No.
Okay, good. You're alright.
There was just an ant on my arm.
Okay, you got it off?
What'd you do? Go off on the grass?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It happened to me.
Yeah, it's kind of tricky. I've seen it happen more than once right around in here.
It's happened to me and my mom at the same time. At the same time? Yeah, I got caught to her purse and then I fell and she fell.
Now remember, we got 5 rocks to hide. Yeah, give it, yep, right here, give it some gas because we're going up a big hill. Oh, that was hard pushing the last couple pushes. Yeah. Let's slow up a second. Look at them things. This whole sub's gonna get all new asphalt. See how it's like low? We're gonna next couple weeks when we come through here, it's gonna be all brand new and smooth. It's gonna be awesome. We're gonna have to just ride around on these new streets. It'll be fun. All right, watch for deer, you guys, because we see them almost every time.
Then we have to be quiet.
There's some that live like 2 houses over to the right. They're always there.
Yeah.
They're like right. Do you? Where? 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 Do you? I don't see them, do you? Remember, we got 5 rocks to hide. Hold on, come back.
No, we need a rock.
Oh, you need a rock.
Do you need help
Oh,
with
we
your
got
bag?
one.
Yeah. Do you need help with your bag?
Did you hide one? Where at? Oh, right in the nook of that tree. I see it. It's yellow. It's got a flower. I can't remember which ones I painted unless I read the words on the back. I can tell my handwriting. Some of them I remember painting. Like the one that I've got today that's little spots. I know I painted that. Yeah, why are we stopping? We were going to stop and wait for them now, so now let's keep going. Oh.
Ooh, I like it.
front of the Bogdan family bench.
Yeah.
We have one rock left. Two. No, you have
I got one too. Let's go. I'm getting mosquitoes if I stop. See that trail there? We'll take that when it doesn't rain for like a week or so and it's nice and dry. We'll go in there on our bikes. It's really cool. It's a fun bike ride. Now see, I try not hitting them puddles because the water comes up your back tire and hits you on the back. So you're better off not hitting those if you want to stay dry. We're going to Amazing Park. Have you ever been there? Really? Oh, we're only like halfway there. Let's let everybody catch up. This is a big road. This is main road. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Really to the side, okay? Gotta be inside. Honk your horn. A little bit harder.
Wow. Deer and a baby, 2 babies. See the deer? Hi, baby deer.
Hi there.
Look at that baby deer. When they got spots like that, then you can tell they're a baby.
Oh my gosh, that is a baby.
That's a cool woods. See that?
I've been through there.
You can walk in there.
I've been through there.
One of these days we'll like lock our bikes up here and we'll go walking there.
Dad, you remember when we
Rock.
You gotta have your bug spray and stuff.
Dad, you
though.
remember when we went through?
Yeah, I remember that.
That was fun.
You need to tell him I had my rock.
Yeah, hold on. We're hiding rocks. That's what we're making a video right now called Hiding Rocks
There's nothing
in Livonia
There's
for
really nothing
Livonia
in
Rocks.
Where's, oh, you had your, okay, where's hers?
She already hit.
Oh, she's got hers? Okay.
I still got mine.
All right, I'm going over here. Are you taking a video?
This is Denmar Park Nature Preserve.
Oh, there she is.
I guess she hid it in the woods there. So that's 2. We still got 3 more to hide.
Show them it so they know where she hid it.
Yeah.
Let's go. Come on.
See anybody coming? Yeah, there's one coming. Let's wait for everybody. Uh-oh. Back up. Oh, wait, we might make it. Cool trailer. We want to go kind of fast too because we don't have much camera memory left. We used up more than half of our memory to get here. So we want to be a little swift on the way back. This is a cool sidewalk right here. This is really cool when they first mow the lawn. This looks like they haven't mowed it in a couple days. When they first mow the lawn and you ride through here, it just looks awesome. Watch out, that car's running. Whenever you see a car with its lights, it could back up. All right, let's go. Before that car comes, they might have to wait. Let's stop. Let's stop. Okay, here we go. About to hide rock number 5. Right there. I just hid my rock on top of that pole. There's a little tricky corner there. Did you make it? I like this barn. Oh, I didn't know you guys were sitting there. You look at the color of this Jeep thing. Isn't that cool? What color is that? That's like electric green. Oh, look at this. Alright, I'm slowing it down. This house here. That might be one of the coolest houses in Livonia right there. And look at its barn in the back. See that barn back there? There's a lot of old houses that are that like orangey brick, but that one's huge compared to most of them. See, most of them are little, and they're still cool though. You'll see them here and there on the main roads in Livonia. These orange brick houses, and they're really, I like them. Look at golf cart. We got a generator running the power box. Same with right here. Look at this. Power must be out. Oh, here we go.